It's been about 6 weeks since I overseeded with Barenbrug Turf Blue Pro, which was made up of cultivars of Kentucky bluegrass that took 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. Going into the fall, my front yard struggled from summer heat and drought stress and fungus. I overseeded with Turf Blue Pro to add some new cultivars that were described to have good heat, drought, and disease tolerance. This is my second time overseeding since moving into this house, and I learned from last season's mistakes. Specifically, I properly top-dressed with topsoil and peat moss, and consistently watered twice a day when there wasn't rain, ensuring even coverage. Here's the 6-week before and after. It'll take another season for the new Kentucky bluegrass to really establish. For now, the nitrogen from fertilizing helped to push out a lot of my fungus issues without using a fungicide. And despite our first frost, the ground temperature is still above 55 degrees, so my lawn is still growing. So I'm going to keep up my usual lawn care practices, including frequent mowing and watering until it looks like it isn't growing anymore. I hope you enjoyed the before and after footage. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content.